How to schedule emails in Gmail. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To start off, launch a Gmail on your mobile device. Now in here, to schedule a mail, it is pretty simple. At the bottom, you will see the pencil icon, click on it. Firstly, set up your mail. Enter your receiver, your subject and compose an email. You can attach or link files or media if you prefer. Now to schedule at the top, you will see a three-dot icon, click on it. Once you click on the three-dot icon, you will see the option of schedule send. You can select on tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon or Monday morning. To manually edit, select on pick date and time and choose the date and time that you prefer. Then select on the OK button once you have set it up and tap on Schedule Send. Now the send has been scheduled. If you want to edit or change it, tap on the three horizontal line and head over to Scheduled. Press and hold onto the message and tap on the paper icon with a cross mark on it. By this way, you'll be able to cancel the scheduled send. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.